Namaste everyone. I am Vijaya Suvarna. Today I am going to explain briefly about Vasanta Panchami. Panchami means number 5. Vasanta means spring. Vasanta Panchami is celebrated every year on the 5th day in the month of Magha, which usually happens in late January or February. First thing to notice is this month of Magha is very auspicious because a festival like Vasanta Panchami is celebrated. It's celebrated 40 days before the actual spring begins. And spring is known as the king of all seasons. And the most important thing to note is that Vasanta Panchami is the day on which Devi Saraswati was born. We all know that Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge, language, music, dance, and all fine arts. This day is also called with different names in different parts of India. Besides the name Vasanta Panchami, it is also referred as Saraswati Puja Day, Sri Panchami, Basant Panchami, Madana Panchami, and the Hindus of Bali and Indonesia even call this day as Hariraya Saraswati, meaning Great Day of Saraswati. In many states in India, this day is referred as Saraswati Puja Day, and children are encouraged to pray to Mata Saraswati for good education. Mata Saraswati symbolizes creative energy and power. Vasanta Panchami is celebrated in honor of that goddess Saraswati by worshipping her in different ways. The season and festival also celebrate the agricultural fields, ripening with yellow flowers of mustard crop this time of the year. And that's why Hindus associate the color, mustard color, yellow color, with Saraswati's favorite color. Now let us see how we can celebrate Saraswati Puja. On this day, yellow color clothes are worn by devotees performing Saraswati Puja. Saraswati is also known with different names. She is called Sharada, Bharati, Vagdevi, Kalamata, and so many. So today we are going to talk about performing the puja next. This is the best day to start anything, initiating. Like let's say for a child's Aksharabhyasam. That means initiating children to education. We all keep learning new things all the time. This has been stated in our ancient scriptures as we all are Nitya Vidyarthis all through our lives. That means we are students learning new things every single day. Nitya is every day. All children who are students of like regular education or music or dance or other art forms should pray to Devi Saraswati on Vasanta Panchami day. Okay, to the procedure now. First set up a place for puja with a picture frame or a statue or any form of Devi Saraswati. Keep some books, both studying books, religious books, or music books, art books, any books, with pens, pencils, and musical instruments, and other fine art related things like paintbrushes, or for dancing instruments, anything near the altar. Light the lamp and make the children pray with the shlokas they know, or the parents could recite some simple shlokas as they focus with folded hands. Lighting a lamp in front of Devi Saraswati means that our lives will be brightened with the knowledge coming from Devi, as the darkness is taken away with the lamp. So, I'll chant some Saraswati Stuti shlokas, which could be heard during the puja time, if you prefer. This is called Saraswati Dwadasha Nama Stotram. Saraswati Dwadasha Nama Stotram. Saraswati Tviyam Drushtya Veena Pustakadharini Hamsavaha Samayukta Vidyadanakari Mama Prathamam Bharati Nama Dvitiyam cha Saraswati Trutiyam Sharada Devi Chaturtham Hamsavahini Panchamam Jagati Khyatam Shashtham Vagishwari Tadha Kaumari Saptamam Proktam Ashtamam Brahmacharini Navamam Buddhidhatri cha Dashamam Varadayini Ekadasham Kshudraghanta Dwadasham Bhuvaneshwari Brahmi Dwadashi Namani Trisandhyam Yah Pathen Naraha Sarva Siddhikari Tasya Prasanna Parameshwari Same Vasatu Jihvagre Brahmarupi Saraswati. Iti Sri Saraswati Dwadasha Nama Stotram Sampurnam.